guys, it's Gymnasium Guy here, and welcome back to my channel. Now, someone has requested that I should do an update of the fire alarms that are in my school. So, let's do that, because I know I'm missing a few alarms in this school, and I'm going to try to record as much as I can. The reason I did picture slides, because it would be very hard to get every alarm in the school, and there's people inside. So you got your Simplex 4251-20 T-bar. Our majority of our smoke detectors, 4255-1. It's a heat detector. Alright, this is pretty cool. This is a Simplex 2001 9838 horn on a 405080 light plate. Now, that 405080 light plate does not malfunction anymore, and I'm not sure they're ever going to replace it. Same heat detector. We got another 2001 9838 Simplex, the 4050 like now that one works. Oh, this teacher. Like this is gonna be pretty hard because there's teachers in school. I don't want them to catch me recording the fire alarms. Simplex 4251-20 pulse station. Okay, so we're in the upper gym. The lights are up, but watch, it's gonna be turned automatically. It's going to start back off, just watch. We got a messed up 4251-20. You see? There's cracks on the pull station. We got a Simplex 4903-9252 set up horizontal. We got another Simplex 4251-20 T-bar. So quiet. And here we got a Simplex 4041 on a Simplex light plate. I'm not sure the exact model of the light plate. If someone could tell me down in the comments below, that'll be wonderful. Or if I found it, I'll put it in the annotations. Here we got another exit sign. I'm pretty sure that used to be a fire alarm, but I guess it was replaced. Can I go? Yeah, I can go in there. Yeah, these doors are locked. I might just make separate videos, but I'm going to combine them on YouTube Editor. We got a Simplex 4901 9022 with a 4050-80 light plate, Simplex. So the light is functioning. Now, I'm not going to go in the library because there's going to be a lot of people there. That is a Simplex 4903-9252 horn strobe, and it's 15 candela. Another Simplex 4903-9101 with a 4041 horn. This is a Simplex 299-9756. It's mounted on the wall. A back plate. Now I'm not going to go into any of these classes, but I will tell you there's a Simplex 4904 9137 remote strobe inside. And this is a Simplex 4903 9238. Heat detectors. Then another Simplex 299, 9756. Another one. This looks pretty old. Another Simplex 299, 9756 pulse dual action T-bar. And a Simplex 4903, 9238. And an exercise. It's a 4251-20. It's a Simplex 4251-20 PlayStation. It's a 4041 and a 4041. Same here. Same here, Simplex 4050 right plates.
Yes, Stacy, look.
Oh, the Simplex 4251-20 the stopper. Pretty interesting. Simplex 4041 on a 4050 light plate, but it's also a Simplex 4903 9252 right next to it. And the 9252 is 15 candelas. Strobe. See, there's people around. That's why I told you. That's why I did a picture slideshow, because there are people in the building. And I'm talking like this, and that's also a reason. I'm talking very quiet because there's also people in the building. That's a Simplex 2901, 9838, 4050. This alpaca tag on the strobe, on the light. But surprisingly, the 4050-80 doesn't malfunction anymore. And you got a 9252, Simplex 4903 9252, and the strobe also on 15 candelas. We're here at the gymnasium. This is the lower gymnasium. I might get spotty here because up there is a Simplex 4041 horn with a broken 4050-80 light plate. Now we got a different pulse station here. I'm pretty sure this is a replacement. That's a ADT. Well, it says ESL, but this is a ADT 5060. I'm not sure the exact model of the pulse station, but it looks very cool. That's the only pulse station in the lower gym. And it's ooh, there's something different. There's a Simplex 4051 horn with a 4050-80 light plate. Now that one don't work either. And I'm pretty sure that was a the one I just showed you over there. I'm pretty sure that's a 4041. The other one's a 4051. Should it be here? That's the majority of it. Majority of it. Not sure what that one is. So we're back downstairs, and it's 314. Both are probably 315, but this is a Simplex 4251-20 pulse station, and I think this might be the old annunciator. I'm not sure if it works anymore. It might still be back up and running. I already showed you the gymnasium, I think. That's the walls look nice, they just repainted it. $3.50. Now, outside there's a Simplex 4041 horn. Outside. You can see everyone's already outside now. You can see from the distance there's a Simplex 4041. Now you guys can't see that well. This is A24. This is an FCI MS2 pulse station. Try and hurry up. The Simplex 493-9252 is set it up horizontally or vertically. Another Simplex 493-9251 orange strobe. That somehow that 493 is mounted vertically. I can't even talk to it. It's gotta be very quiet. Another Simplex 4903-9101 with the Simplex 4901-9822. We got another Simplex 4251-20. Let me see, there's a bus here. Supposed to be outside right now. Oh yeah, everyone's already outside. Oh, so my battery's gonna die too. Simplex 4251-20. Simplex 2901-9038 with a 4050 light plate. The 4050 is functioning. Simplex 4903-9252. Point strobe. I'm trying to go pretty quick because I gotta get to my bus. And none of these classes have any alarms either. This is a Simplex 2901-9038 on a 4050-80 light plate. Right, I think I forgot to show you this, but this is now Simplex 4251-20. Before we have the Simplex 4251-30 T-bar. Now this used to be a break glass, but now this is just a T-bar pull station. Exit sign. We got a bell. This rings between periods. And another smoke and a exit sign. Look at this. We got a Simplex 4903-9252 horn strobe on top of the Simplex 4050-80 light plate, which does not function anymore. So the Simplex 4903-9252 functions, but not the Simplex 4050-80 light plate. Okay, we have a Simplex 4901-9822 horn with the very broken Simplex 4050-80 on top of it. You can see the lens are still there, do you see the bulb still there, but not the lens? Yeah, the 4050-80 is not functioning anymore. But hey, we got the Simplex 4901-9822 horn. Got a bell. and an exit sign. Fire extinguisher. And another, we got a Simplex 2099 9756 dual action T-bar. So, entering the cafeteria, because things is open, there's no, see, people do wrestling over here after school. Not every day, but like every so often. We have a Wheelock NS in this cafeteria. We got Simplex 4255-1 heat detectors. Another one right there. Vending machines. Now, can someone tell me what heat detectors or smoke detectors are these? Oh, and there's another one over there too. Now, next alarm in full station. Alarm's on a Wheelock. Same thing. There's a Simplex 2099 9756 and a Simplex 4903 9252 horn strobe. Now, I think those are Edwards heat detectors. There's another one down there too. I don't know what the models of those are, but I'll put as an annotation on the video. Now, I think that's a bell. No, I think that bell used to be a fire alarm, but now they use it between periods. Going around. Man, Wheelock and this are my favorite alarms. Fire extinguisher. Oh yeah, I almost forgot to mention. That's a Simplex 4041 in the boiler room or the cooking area. Maybe we get a good closer look at it. Over here, yeah, there's another exit sign. Another smoke detector and another exit sign. Show you the camera. We got a Simplex 2099 9756 and another Simplex 4903 horn strobe. I don't know the exact model. Yeah, there's music going on. Smoke detector. There's a bell which rings between pairs. Simplex 4903s and strobes. Horn. Bell that rings between periods and there's one second. Another Simplex 4903. More of these. Smoke detector and exit sign. We got a griddle sprinkler alarm. There's one down there and there's one over there, but also outside. You see the Simplex 4041 horn. Pretty cool. Now. And right here, we got a Simplex 2099 9756 dual action T-bar. And we got another Simplex 2099 97. Yeah, this T-bar, it's missing. It's gone. I think someone pulled it too hard or something. And we got a mechanical horn Simplex 2003. I don't know the model of this thing, but I know it sounds different compared to the other ones. And there's more of them. There's more of them in this hallway too. See, there we got a bell that rings between periods. This is a Simplex bell, and that's a Simplex 4903. Horn strobe. And we got another Simplex 2099 9756 dual action T-bar. Now, I don't know if I can go in that auditorium, but I'm gonna guess there's Well, I know there is. Oh. Oh, my friend, just walking here. As you can see, there's a Simplex 403. There's 4 of them. There's 4 Simplex 4903s, 9238s, and 2 Simplex 2999 9756 2-action T-bars. There's Simplex 4903. Simplex bell, reads between periods. Simplex 299. There's the cafeteria. And this, another surprise. And Simplex 4903. Another Simplex 4903 horn strobe. It's mechanical. Yep, they're both Simplex 2999, 9756. Now, can someone tell me what smoke detectors are those? It's a Simplex smoke detector. There was one there, and there's another one right here. I don't know what smoke detectors those are, but if someone can tell me down in the comments below, that'll be wonderful. Or if I do find a model, I'll put any annotations. Another of those smoke detectors and an exit sign. Well, that's it for the fire alarm tour. If you guys enjoyed it, leave a like, also subscribe, and whew, I finally did almost a full tour of the whole fire alarm system at our school. But anyway, guys, hope you all enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you all later.